Hello and welcome. I'm really glad you're here. If you're learning English, you're in the right place. Whether you're just getting started or you've been studying for a while, this lesson is for you. Before we begin, I want to share one important tip. Don't worry about understanding every single word. That's not the goal. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Try to understand the main ideas and pay attention to how English sounds. If you miss a word or a sentence, that's completely okay. Don't stop the video. Just keep listening. You can always come back and listen again. In fact, listening to the same story more than once is one of the best ways to improve your English. So find a comfortable place, take a deep breath, and let's enjoy today's listening practice together. And if you enjoy this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more free English lessons for learners like you. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Today's story is called A Visit to the Park. Last Sunday, Emma decided to spend the afternoon at a beautiful park near her home. The weather was perfect. The sun was shining, a gentle breeze was blowing, and the sky was clear and blue. Before leaving, she packed a small bag with a bottle of water, a sandwich, and her favorite book. When she arrived at the park, she saw families enjoying picnics, children laughing as they played, and people walking along the paths. The whole park was full of life, yet it still felt peaceful. Emma found a quiet bench beside a small lake. She sat down and watched the ducks gliding across the water. For a few minutes, she simply enjoyed the peaceful view. Then she opened her book and started reading. The birds were singing, the leaves moved gently in the wind, and everything around her felt calm and relaxing. After a while, she noticed an elderly woman feeding the birds nearby. They smiled at each other, and before long, they started talking. The woman told Emma that she came to the park almost every morning. She said it helped her clear her mind, stay healthy, and enjoy the simple things in life. Emma smiled. She thought that was a wonderful way to start each day. Before heading home, Emma took one last walk around the lake. She admired the colorful flowers, the tall, green trees, and the fresh air. She felt refreshed, peaceful, and grateful for such a beautiful afternoon. When she arrived home that evening, she realized that sometimes the simplest moments bring the greatest happiness. She promised herself that she would visit the park more often. Thank you so much for listening. So, how did you do? Remember, you don't have to understand everything the first time. Every time you listen, your English gets a little stronger. I encourage you to play this story again. You'll probably notice new words and expressions that you didn't catch the first time. That's completely normal, and it's exactly how your listening skills improve. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Learning English takes time, but every lesson brings you one step closer to your goal. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate you being here. Take care of yourself, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next English listening practice. Bye for now.